go, because I'm doing some 2023 planning. So we're gonna go check out this new restaurant by my house. One of my friends posted it on Facebook, and I think it's gonna be cool. So we'll go check that out, and y'all wanna go on a scenic walk with me. Ever notice how when you do your lashes, because I did this one differently than this one, it makes your eyes look different. Like this makes my eye pop, and this makes it look more sultry. But that's because I put this lash further away from the inside of the eye and this lash further in. I'm learning, y'all. I hate doing lashes, but they make a huge difference, especially with pixie cuts, because it all be about your face. And now I gotta fix it because I'm out here looking crazy. But we're going to I think it's like a new brunch or breakfast place that opened up. Someone posted on Instagram. I'm about to go check it out. Chicken biscuits. It's like a biscuit fried chicken. It's like honey and stuff in the biscuits, and some potato chips. So, it's flaky. Chicken is good and flavored. Tastes like see the soup out. It's got pepper in that soup, but it looks very sweet. I'm gonna get it together now. It does need some pepper. Some salt and pepper, but it's not bad. But this biscuit. Hey guys, as you can see, I am back home, and I definitely recorded audio for this, but it did not take. And so all I'm doing right now is making a really quick and easy chicken parm. I got a bag of grilled chicken from Target. I got some marinara sauce, and instead of cutting up the boneless chicken breast that I usually get from the market, I literally just did this really quick, really fast, boiled some fettuccine noodles and made it. As you can see, I am sprinkling some Parmesan cheese in there. All I did to the recipe was add green peppers, red peppers, yellow peppers, onions, mushrooms, grilled it up, put it in a pot, let it simmer, added some garlic, added the marinara sauce, chicken, Parmesan cheese, and called it a day. It was really yummy, y'all.
Baby, why'd you have to
guys, so good morning. It is, what's today? It's actually Tuesday. It's the Tuesday that everyone comes back from the holiday, and I am starting my work day. You actually seen me do a lot in my morning already, but there's a few things I have to do today. It's a somewhat casual day, but yeah, I have a meeting in about 10 minutes. I have to go to Walgreens and we have to get negative COVID and flu tests so that we are able to come back to the office because no one wants that mess to spread. I have to go to my office and pick up my laptop because we are still working from home for a week, just in case people do have, unfortunately, any sicknesses. I have to still do my devotional, 4 things. And I'm pretty sure there's a lot of other things. So I'm going to take you guys along with me for the ride. I'm going to take you along with me for the run. And I'll see you soon. Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a productive day. I just have to say that this natural light, you know, as I'm learning to YouTube, or as I'm learning to do more videos and understand this natural light is banging. Now I see the difference. I'm feeling like a YouTuber. Hey. Made it to the office. I need to get my laptop and go take this COVID test. Okay, that was finally done. They couldn't find my appointment in the system. It was just whatever. But thank God it's done. Always crazy when they gotta go so far up and swab your nose. But we're good. No COVID, no flu. So we're all good. But I need to go to Target because I have to get some planners and some things for work, calendars and things to start this new year off right. And so I'm gonna go to Target, then get back home. Well, my job is on the whole other side of the city from where I live, so get back home. I have some more meetings, some more stuff. So this is just a day in the life. I'm gonna stay focused. I'm gonna go look for these planners because Target will get you this way. Target will get you and you will be in here spending money on everything. So I'm hoping I can get a planner, a calendar, and some nice pens. Okay, so there's 2 planners that I think that I want to get, or I'm going to choose from. This one, and they don't really have a good selection. Okay, guys, they don't really have a big selection right now. So, I think I'm leaning more towards this one because it kind of gives me exactly how I like to plan. It's goals in the beginning. It's a calendar. And then there's like a week of task list. I'm probably 90% leaning towards this. This one is more of your average calendar, you know, things this week, things like that. But I kind of like the layout of the other one. And so we're going to go with this one. Okay, guys, we are back home. I'm hoping that this lighting works because, you know, now I'm obsessed with natural lighting. But we're back home, and I'm going to do a quick Target haul so you can see what I got. The test went back good. Everything is negative, so we straight on that end. But we're going to do a haul. So let's see what we got. Some chicken because right now, and I told y'all, I have been on some make it easier, make it quicker. How do we make it faster? Oh, these are so bomb. Like,
I like beef patties, and so they have Golden Crust. So if you guys know Golden Crust in New York, they just banging. But you can get them at Target now. And I'm not really a fan of like Hot Pockets and that sort of style food, but these mild beef, spicy beef, they taste pretty close to beef patties. Some yellow rice from Zatarain's. I got some heavy whipping cream because I'm about to make some homemade mashed potatoes. Some pickles because I love pickles. Some plain bagels because I need to be able to eat something that's going to keep me full. Because I don't do good at eating breakfast. I'm just not good at it at all. Some avocados. I'm going to put some avocados on my bagels, like avocado toast. Cream cheese. More chicken because I'm about to make some curry chicken tonight. Cheddar cheese. I need some for the sandwiches that I'm making. And tomatoes, cucumbers for these salads. I'm trying to make life easier enough. I feel like if I can have things at my disposal that will allow me to eat healthy, or eat faster with convenience, I won't be trying to snack late at night, and I'll be able to have a little bit of things available to me. And so these, let's see. Oh yeah, so this is a planner that I chose for work. I did end up getting the one that I showed you guys. This is the Every Girl. So it's a day designer planner, but it's the Every Girl one. It kind of feels like, what is it, velvet felt that. And like I said, it has a thing to make a task list. Calendar, and it did, and I'm pretty sure we've seen earlier, goal tracker. And I got this notebook to match, and these ballpoint pens. So we're going to be going into this quarter and this season good. And then for me personally, because that's for my work, I got this is from Amazon. My own personal goal tracker, because I don't know, I like to separate it. I don't like to kind of mix work with what I'm doing personally, like it's two separate entities. And I just like to be a little bit more organized. So this is called Achieve, and it really just looks like this. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but it has the date, the day, goal, what the action plan is, the dates for it, the obstacles and preparation where you can analyze, motivation, words of encouragement and kind of encouragement, let's speak, and progress. And so I've been trying to see what goal planners work for me. And this one is small enough that I can take it with me, and write my goals for 2024 down, which I'm going to do a video on what those goals are, because I'm going in. 2024 is a year of abundance for me. That's what God called it, and that's what we're going to go in. Abundance in all areas. Life, health, love, finances, prosperity, all of that. And then the last thing I got are, these are my, if I can get the bag open, y'all can see it. Miracle Meal Pre-Filled Communion. And so this is for when I do the Year of the Bride fast. We take communion with it. And so this is what it looks like. And they literally are just pre-filled communion cups, y'all. It comes with the blood in the body. And so it's 21 days and I get this from Amazon. And so that's my haul. Now I'm gonna put all this stuff away and get prepared so I can start making some dinner because your girl's hungry. Okay guys, so we're back. I'm about to make this chicken. But I kind of wanted to show you somewhat of the process. In this house, we clean our chicken. And so, let me see if I can bring you guys with me without dropping you. So my chicken, as you can see, has been, there you go. Been sitting in vinegar water because look at that, like, ugh. You sit it in there, all the stuff floats off of it, it cleans it, and then I also clean it with lemon. So after I do that, I'm going to spray it down, rinse it off, blah, 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 rub some lemon on it, clean that, and then I'm going to put it in a pot. And we're going to go from there. Okay guys, it is Thursday morning. I have to do something really cool for work. So I'm hoping that they allow me to get some video. I'm gonna try because I want to take you guys with me. Either way, you'll find out what it is, but I really am hoping. So I'm about to just get ready, get dressed, and we're gonna go to the place we're gonna go, and you're gonna see it. Okay guys, so we are ready. I'm going to see if I can take you. My Uber's about to be here in like a minute. It's probably already outside. So I'm going to see if I can take you. And I want to try this out and see if it works. So let's see. So, you know, this is the light we're talking about. Only we could be out in this light. And it wasn't cold and freezing because it's freezing. It's freezing, it's freezing, it's freezing. But what you're going to do, it's winter. It has to come and go like every other season, right? Okay, everyone, I am done. It was really kind of cool. So I was on an interview for my job on a live news segment. I don't know if it's live, but it was a news segment that I did an interview for. It's called Intersections, and it's going to air, I think, this weekend. So it was really cool. I couldn't get a lot of content for you guys because we were not really able to film, but I tried to get a little bit. But hopefully I can get clips of the interview and I'll just put that in the video if I have it. So now we're going back home. I have a couple more meetings or things I have to catch up on, and I'll see you there. Okay guys, I'm always trying to understand where do I look with this, and now I'm using my Insta360 Flow, and I'm getting the hang of it. I'm gonna show y'all just so you know what I'm talking about. And so this is really kind of cool. It's like a selfie stick. It is like a tripod. It moves where you move. So if, let's say if I move this way, it moves. And it moves. But I don't know where to look in the camera. So I'm always feeling like I got crazy eyes, and maybe I don't, and it's just all in my head. But anyway, we're back home, and I'm gonna tell you about the experience. So I went to interview on a local TV station for a really cool show called Intersections to talk about my job and what I do in entrepreneurship programs that I manage. Primarily, I manage entrepreneurship programs, and one of them are food-based entrepreneurship programs for foodpreneurs in the city that I live in. And so I got to do that, which was cool. But you know, Weird fun fact, I get really nervous when a camera is on me. I know it sounds weird because I'm doing YouTube, but when I'm in situations where I'm on like a news show or being interviewed or something like that, I get nervous. Like I'm in the inside like this, freaking out. But I'm doing YouTube, but I don't know what the difference is. Maybe it's because it's in my setting. It's a little bit more comfortable because I control it versus being on a huge TV set with people I don't know. It's always crazy. It's always weird. So I hope the interview turned out great. I am going to do a day in a life of what it's like to be a nonprofit program director because I have a pretty cool job and I really like it. And I think that if I get to do a video like that, more and more people will come and be like, oh, maybe this is for me or maybe it isn't for me. Hi guys, happy Saturday. It is Saturday morning. I just woke up. It's not even really morning, to be honest. And I ain't really just wake up. I just be up, sitting in the bed, scrolling and doing stuff. But it's time to get up. There's a few things I have to do. So my checklist is finish purging stuff from yesterday. I have some stuff in the basement I need to get rid of, some event stuff, some stuff that's just taking up space that someone else can use. So we're going to do that. We're going to drop the stuff off. I need to do some homework from my digital product class that I'm taking. I'm supposed to meet my brother, but who knows? We're supposed to do some stuff for his business, but knowing him, I'm gonna keep trying to track him down and track him down and track him down. And I need to get ready. I'm not even gonna try to play around. This channel is a channel of realness. This is what we wake up looking like. We ain't trying to act like we don't wake up looking like anything different, but I'm gonna get this Saturday started and you guys are gonna join me. It is the last day of my first week in a life. So tell me what you thought about it. Go in the comments, tell me what you thought was cool. Like, comment, and subscribe as usual and be part of the fam. Help me grow, watch me grow, and we're gonna grow together. So I'll see you guys soon. Snow has arrived. It is snowing. I don't think we want to get a lot of snow, but it's here. We'll see. Okay, guys, so it is later in the day. The snow kind of shifted things, so I will be dropping off all those clothes and items next week. But I'm just cooking some dinner right now. It's cold outside, so I'm making spaghetti. I love Italian type food, so I'm making spaghetti, and after that, I'm gonna just chill. I think I'm also, so let me rewind. I'm making spaghetti so that I have stuff for tomorrow, but I think I'm gonna have some Wingstop tonight because it's football, and who doesn't want wings in football? So that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna start making the spaghetti, and I'll come back to you when I get my Wingstop. There you go. So remember how I was telling you that my scalp was itching yesterday and I did that scalp treatment? It actually worked. All I did was just take some oil and put it all through my hair, wrap it in a scarf and just let it penetrate. So it worked. My scalp ain't itching like crazy. This winter season is just going to be bananas because I can already tell how my skin is reacting, how my scalp is reacting, and how I'm gonna have to find just a new routine to deal with stuff. But it worked, y'all. It's kind of flowing, it's kind of shiny. We kind of feeling it, right? But the spaghetti's cooking, so let's go over my checklist. I did my homework. I did more purging down in the basement. I am cooking dinner. I didn't get to take the stuff down to the red, white, and blue where I'm donating this stuff to because the snow just took that out. So that's not happening. But we're pretty good for our Saturday checklist. The Steelers are playing, so we're going to end up checking that out. We're going to eat. I'm going to get some Wingstop because I want wings. That's for tomorrow, so now I get to chill out tomorrow get ready for church. I still have to do my devotional today. We don't let God not get any place, so we're going to do that today. And yeah, we just moving through. It's a chill, snowy Saturday. Thanks for spending it with me. And if you haven't already, if you're getting this far in this week in a life, you need to like, comment, and subscribe. Build with me, become part of the fam, grow with me as I grow my channel. Let me know what you think. This is my first one, y'all, and I ain't gonna lie, it's a lot. This editing is a lot, but I really like it. I feel like it has given me a creative outlet that I didn't know I needed. And so I'm really feeling it. I didn't know if I was gonna vibe with being a content creator and doing all that, but I'm feeling it. It's definitely a vibe that I'm definitely gonna keep up on. So yeah, like, comment, subscribe, put the thumbs up, and stick around for more content. I'll talk to y'all soon.